I've had this acrylic ombre full set on for about 3 weeks now, so I want to show you how I take it off. So you'll need nail files, cotton balls, acetone, a nail buffer. I've used a sandwich bag and some kitchen foil and a nail clipper, and I also have a cuticle stick here. So first things first, I'm going to take off my acrylic nails, take the length off. So I'm going to cut them down, and I go through each nail and I cut each nail down not too low, but as low as I can get it. And then I add the acetone. I have this little baby bottle of acetone from Amazon, which is a story that could be told all on its own. But basically I add it to the sandwich bag, and then I put my fingers in the sandwich bag, and I put the sandwich bag in warm water that I have here, and I leave it. This water is a bit warm, does cool down quite quickly, so I leave it in for about 10 minutes, and then your nails come out looking all a bit bubbly as the acrylic softens. And I file the acrylic down after pushing back my cuticles. So this is very messy, guys, so do have some tissue available, or like a broom or something available to sweep up all the acrylic. And so after I did that, my acrylic was pretty soft, but I wanted to work on my other hand, so I add the cotton balls onto my finger, I soak it in acetone and wrap it in foil, and I do one hand at a time, and I leave it on again for another 10 minutes. And you can see him, I'm putting in my left hand back into the acetone and into the bowl, whilst my other hand is wrapped in foil. And then I pulled off the foil after about 10 minutes, and I went back over my nails, filing again, and then I put my hands back into the acetone again. So basically you're just putting your hands back into the acetone until your acrylic softens down and you're able to file it down. And then here I'm clipping my nails down again. I just find it easier to file down my nails when I get them as short as possible. It takes a bit less time, and my nails underneath my acrylic are usually quite soft, so I tend to just keep them quite short. And then I buffer them down to make sure that they're smooth. Any ridged edges or anything like that I've smoothed down so it doesn't get caught on anything. And then I wash my hands, because acetone really dries out your hands, so I make sure I wash and moisturize my hands. I don't have any cuticle oil, or I would use that too. This is what my nails look like afterwards. I hope you guys have found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.